Qadir, that is, the one who possesses absolute power. A possessor of perfect power. A power that no one can prevent from doing what it wills. Now, no matter how much power we have, someone can come and stop us. Because there is someone stronger than us. Above every powerful being, there is always one more powerful. But in the case of Allah, there is a power that knows no obstacle. Nothing can render him incapable of doing what he wills. In no condition, in no execution of his will, is Allah ever overwhelmed by incapacity. This is exclusive to Allah. So what exactly does he say? All power, strength, and might belong entirely and only to Allah, he says. And to us, since Allah has given us the reflections of 8 attributes, we are given will, power, speech, we list them. He gave us power too. Power, the ability to do. We can do some things. You want to lift something, you grab it from here. But what if you're paralyzed? Even a piece of paper, what can you do? If your right hand is paralyzed, you can't even move the paper. So in many situations, weakness comes upon us. Or even if I have power, how far does it go? How much weight can I lift? Now, there are competitions nowadays. Someone wins first place. According to what? According to lifting however many hundreds of kilograms. They give a heavy object accordingly. Can I lift that, for example? No, I can't. So did that person lift it? Yes. Up to what? 200 kilo, 300 kilo, whatever it is. I don't know the units exactly. Now add 2 more kilograms on top because he reached up to that point and stopped there. Or add 5 or 10 more kilograms, even he can't lift that. Now, the strongest person among 8.5 billion people in the world today, even that person has a rock he cannot lift, right? Of course there is. So, when it comes to the strength and power of created beings, what happens? It reaches a point and stops. And beyond a certain point, they become powerless, unable to do it. But what is the meaning of Allah's attribute of being Al-Qadir, the one with power? He is never powerless in any situation at any time. And no one can ever render him powerless. Yes, that's why all power belongs to Allah alone. Now, he has given us power, yes, but your power is a trust. The essence of power is with Allah.